Hello and welcome to this week's guided meditation, a safe place to let go. This is your safe place for the next 10 or so minutes, a space to let go of control, of fear, maybe of the pressure to hold it all together. Whatever it might be for you. You've arrived. You are held. And here, there is nothing to fix, nothing to prove, and nothing to chase. Only your breath, your body, and your truth. Take a moment to settle. Find a comfortable position, lying down, seated in stillness, or gently swaying. Let your body speak to you. Let's begin by fully arriving. Gently close your eyes. Begin to notice your breath without changing it. Just observe the inhale, the exhale. Let your awareness soften into the rhythm of your breath. Now place one hand on your heart and one on your womb or belly. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale softly through the mouth. Let's do this together. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continue this breath for a few moments. In through the nose, holding at the top, and out through the mouth. Let it be easy. Let the body drop a little more with each exhale. Let yourself fully arrive in the now. Be sure to loosen your jaw, your hips, your shoulders. You are safe to arrive. You are safe to be here. You are safe to let go. Now I invite you to scan your body slowly with love. Bring your awareness to the crown of your head and slowly move down through your face, your throat, your shoulders. Where are you holding? Where is the tension? Where are you clenching out of habit or fear? Breathe into each space as you move downward, softening the belly, softening the thighs, the calves, the knees, the ankles and toes, breathing deep through it all. Now bring to mind something you've been gripping, maybe a relationship, a version of yourself, a decision, a future outcome. Name it silently and notice how your body responds to the naming. Now gently say to it, I see you. I love you. And I release you. You may feel tears or resistance. You may feel nothing at all. All of it is okay. Keep breathing. Keep loosening. You are safe. Let your exhales become longer than your inhales. Let your jaw fall open slightly. You are safe to let go. You are safe to not hold it all. Let go like water. Let go like dusk. Let go from a human choosing to trust themselves again. Now that you've softened, you are open to receive. Imagine yourself in a sanctuary. Maybe it's a temple, a field of wildflowers, the ocean shore, or a candlelit room. Let it be a place that feels deeply nourishing. Visualize yourself lying down or seated comfortably in this space. Let your body feel supported by the earth beneath you. Now in the distance, someone is approaching. A guide, a being of light, a version of your higher self, an ancestor or a spirit animal. Whoever comes, trust their presence. They sit beside you. They place a hand over your heart. They whisper something only for you, a message, a reminder, a gift. You are loved. You are never alone. You are always supported. When you're ready, Imagine this guide placing a light into your chest, a golden, glowing light. This is the frequency of trust, of surrender, of divine protection. Let that light spread through your entire body, from your heart to your fingertips, down to your toes, all the way to your crown. Breathe in the light. Let it settle. Let yourself receive. Now slowly bring awareness back to your physical body. Wiggle your fingers. Roll your shoulders. Sway gently if you feel called. Place your hands on your body with reverence. Maybe on your thighs, your belly, your chest. Feel your aliveness. You are still here. You are still whole. You are still sacred. Now ask yourself gently, what am I letting go of? What beauty can I choose right now? Where can I meet my grief with grace? If it feels good, place your hand over your womb or on your chest and say, "This body is a portal. This grief is holy. This pleasure is safe." Begin to move intuitively. Maybe a stretch, a shoulder roll, a little dance. Whatever your body asks for, let the movement remind you you are not stuck. You are not broken. You are becoming. As this journey comes to a close, return once more to your breath. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Bring your awareness back to the space around you. Maybe gently opening your eyes. And know this: you can return to this state, this softness, this surrender anytime. Let the part of you that needed to let go rest now. Let the part of you that is ready to bloom rise. You are whole. You are safe. You are free. Namaste.